Micromanagement. It's a word that sends shivers down the spines of employees worldwide. This pervasive management style, characterized by excessive control and oversight, can transform even the most engaging job into a suffocating experience. Employees often find their creativity stifled, their morale plummeting, and their stress levels skyrocketing under the weight of constant scrutiny. The impact is undeniable. Decreased productivity, increased employee turnover, and a toxic work environment. But understanding this management style is the first step to reclaiming your workday and sanity. Micromanagement often stems from the manager's own insecurities and anxieties. They may fear failure, crave control, or lack trust in their team's abilities. This behavior, while detrimental, is rarely intended to harm. Recognizing that the micromanager's actions are often driven by fear rather than malice can help you approach the situation with more empathy and less resentment. By understanding their motivations, you can tailor your approach to better manage upwards and navigate this challenging dynamic. Unraveling the motivations behind your manager's micromanagement is crucial to effectively addressing the issue. Often it's less about you and more about their own insecurities. They might be grappling with a fear of failure, a need to control every aspect of the project, or a lack of trust stemming from past experiences. This understanding allows you to approach the situation with empathy rather than animosity. Take the time to observe your manager's behavior. Do they constantly request updates, even on minor tasks? Do they insist on making even the smallest decisions? Do they redo your work, claiming it doesn't meet their standards? Identifying these patterns can offer valuable insights into their triggers and anxieties. Once you understand the why behind the micromanagement, you can begin to tailor your approach and communication style to alleviate their concerns. While understanding your manager's perspective is essential, setting clear boundaries is equally crucial. This doesn't mean being confrontational, but rather establishing clear lines of responsibility and communication. Start by having an open and honest conversation with your manager about your need for autonomy and their expectations for your work. Clearly define your role and responsibilities, outlining the tasks you are solely accountable for. Propose regular check-in times to provide updates on your progress, eliminating the need for constant oversight. When your manager attempts to overstep these boundaries, politely but firmly reiterate the agreed-upon division of labor. Remember, setting boundaries is not about defiance, it's about creating a more productive and respectful working relationship. Section 4. The power of proactive communication. In the battle against micromanagement, proactive communication emerges as your most potent weapon. By keeping your manager informed and involved, you alleviate their need for constant oversight. Regular updates, even on seemingly minor tasks, can work wonders in building trust and demonstrating your competence. Schedule regular meetings to discuss your progress, challenges, and any support you might require. These structured check-ins provide your manager with a sense of control while allowing you to maintain autonomy in your work. Transparency is key. Openly share your thought process, your approach to problem solving, and your plans for completing tasks. By keeping them in the loop, you're not just updating them on your progress, you're actively involving them in the process, albeit at a more manageable level. Section 5. Thriving amidst micromanagement. Thriving amidst micromanagement might seem like an impossible feat, but it's achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Remember, you can't change your manager, but you can control your reactions and approach to the situation. Focus on building a strong foundation of trust through consistent performance and open communication. Celebrate small victories and use them as evidence of your competence. If your manager insists on providing feedback on every detail, view it as an opportunity for growth and development. Embrace constructive criticism and use it to refine your skills. Remember, your goal is not just to survive micromanagement, but to thrive in your role. By focusing on your own growth and development, you can transform a challenging situation into an opportunity for professional advancement.